Hello everyone, welcome to Quizzic Spectrum. We get into the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Thank you, and let's get started. Would you rather have the ability to fly or be invisible? Would you rather live in a world with no internet or no electricity? Would you rather always speak your mind or never speak again? Would you rather have the power of super strength or super intelligence? Would you rather be able to time travel to the past or the future? Would you rather be a famous actor/actress or a renowned scientist? Would you rather have the ability to teleport or read minds? Would you rather live in a big city or in a remote cabin in the woods? Would you rather be a master of every musical instrument or speak every language fluently? Would you rather have unlimited wealth but no friends or a tight-knit group of friends but limited wealth? Would you rather be a superhero with a secret identity or a supervillain with an infamous reputation? Would you rather have the power of invisibility or the power of telekinesis, moving objects with your mind? Would you rather never have to sleep again or never have to eat again? Would you rather always be 20 minutes late or always be 2 hours early? Would you rather have the ability to breathe underwater or fly underwater like a fish? Would you rather be a famous athlete or a famous musician? Would you rather have the power to heal others' physical ailments or heal their emotional wounds? Would you rather travel to the past and meet your ancestors or travel to the future and meet your descendants? Would you rather live in a world with no war but extreme poverty or a world with no poverty but constant conflict? Would you rather have a personal chef or a personal chauffeur for the rest of your life? Would you rather have the power to control the weather or control the minds of animals? Would you rather have the ability to speak and understand all animal languages or be able to talk to plants? Would you rather always know the truth but never be able to lie or always be able to lie but never know the truth? Would you rather have a rewind button for your life or a pause button for your life? Would you rather have the ability to instantly learn and master any skill or have the ability to see into the future?